Yet one final clue remains to be tried. The testimony of a witness. In court, Nara Capizzali claimed that on the night of the killing, she heard a scream, followed by the sound of several people running up nearby metal stairs. Her apartment overlooks the crime scene 200 meters away. And the metal stairs lead up from the car park on her side of the main road.
Mi può descrivere l'urlo al meglio che può?
Correndo. Proprio correndo.
So she was running, she heard somebody running up the metal ladder.
Correndo, saltando correndo, perché se uno scende giù si sente,
To the prosecution, this is vital information. Not only pinpointing the time of the murder, but also revealing how many people were involved. So, question 5. Could the witness have heard footsteps on the stairs on the night of the murder? To find out, our lawyers have called in local sound engineer Dr. Giancarlo Strani and his assistant. His equipment is more commonly used to monitor pollution from roads and railways. By getting his assistant, who's wearing similar shoes to the Nike trainers worn by Rudy Gaudet, to run up the metal stairs, and recording the sound levels both inside and outside Nara's apartment, with the windows shut, as they were on that fateful night, he'll be able to judge whether the sound of the stairs could really be heard.
Now we will try to simulate the running of a person on the stair with the help of my colleague Cristiano.
Were your instruments able to detect the running up the metal ladder?
From this first evaluation, I say no.
No. Could a very windy day have made it substantially different?
It could be a difference of a few decibels.
It'll take all night for Giancarlo to process his data and tell if Nara could have heard what she thinks on the night of the murder.
Inside the room. On this first part, we have analyzed the signal during the simulation of the running on the iron stair.
So you did identify the sound?
Yeah, the sound. As you can see, the frequency of this sound is very, very low.
Well, based on your findings, what can we say about the possibility that she could have heard the stairs?
On my opinion, it's impossible to hear.
Impossible?
It's impossible.
Bottom line,
yeah.
She could not have heard people running away from Meredith's house in the conditions that you were testing yesterday, correct?
It's correct.
Giancarlo has shown that today, at least, it's impossible to hear running up the metal stairs from inside Nara Capizzali's flat. 6 years ago, conditions may have been quite different. The stairs have been repaired, and the weather, speed of running and type of shoes may all influence the test. Still, Nara stands by her testimony. What do our lawyers think?
We heard the audio specialist saying, impossible. Now, you can't get more conclusive answer.
We saw a lady still quite traumatized from what she had heard. And obviously, I mean, we have seen that the expert in the test said that possibly in those situations she couldn't have heard anything, but a different environment. We had different period of the year, so we had too many different things.
What it